So this is your first mock test. Do you like number 15?
The number or the route?
No, just the route or the number. The number 15.
Sure.
Sure. I wouldn't be so sure.
Bruh.
About 40-minute drive. I'm quiet. I'm gonna ask you to pull up on the left. Maybe once, maybe multiple times. On the test, they can ask you to pull up on the left about 3-4 times.
Okay, but you do realize I can't be quiet. I will be talking at you. You don't have to reply.
Yeah,
I'll
you just talk. Yes, absolutely. I know you're gonna be fine. Yeah, just focus, plan ahead, be a step ahead of yourself. If something goes slightly wrong, don't let that affect you. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, it's a little bit too real now. What are you writing? I don't like it when you write now. No, I didn't mind it when you write what you're writing now. Wait, okay, right. Come on, now tell me. Why are you pressing the button? Get up to the hypothetical imaginary wayline. You can see somebody. It's not really under station, so you can't mark me down for that, so I don't even write anything. Yeah, this looks like a sufficient gap for me to go for. But remember the break then, who was on. And we're going right.
Turn left, Butting Avenue East.
We need to go to a good place in the road. There's... yeah. Yes. Mirrors.
Okay. Can you pull up on the left where it's safe to do so, please?
I can't definitely want to drive, so let's go a bit more. And about... yeah. I'm not blocking them in, am I?
No, you're fine. Don't worry about it. Okay, move off when you're ready. Ignore the sat nav, please. We're not doing a U-turn. We're turning right at the next light.
Yes. Okay. Oh, hello. Hello, Mr. Man.
So after you have done this right turn, follow the sat nav then, please. Huh? Can you do me a favour and can you pull up on the left where it's safe to do so, please?
Well, it's not. Yeah, but it is. The bloke should put us there. Okay,
After
well now.
100 yards,
Nice to get.
turn right, London
I'll go
Road.
there because in the car it doesn't have to go through it. Just here we'll do. Nothing line though.
Click. Thank you.
Was that on the entire time?
No.
Oh no, I just signalled to pull over.
You signaled to pull
Oh,
over.
yeah.
Now, little note, you're not going to park up on the curb on the test.
Okay.
Unless examiner would ask you.
Okay.
So if I would ask you, can you pull up on the left on the curb, then
Then do it.
Then do it.
Okay.
Any other occasion, next to the curb.
Yeah.
If you decide yourself to pull up on the curb, you will fail. Yeah,
Okay.
just a little heads up there. Okay, brilliant. Move off when you're ready, please. Anytime you pull up on the left on the test, you can have a drink, you can have a breather, and move off when you're ready. Yeah, that's like a little restart.
Turn right, London Road. Turn left.
Can you pull up on the left before the white vehicle, please? Okay. Can you carry out a parallel parking maneuver using the car in front of you, please?
I actually on this road. Do you hate me? You close your eyes, you're scared of me.
I think you can do it. Do it. Have a go.
That's the gap that we're getting. I'd say that's possible. No, it's not possible gap, is it?
That's absolutely fine.
Only it's minor as well because I didn't adjust it once.
Now, is one little questionable thing. There's one little questionable
There's my
thing.
observations.
No, I think your observations was absolutely fine.
Mhm.
You looked around, you seen what was happening around you.
Mhm.
Is the gap from that vehicle a little bit? So we have
Close.
too far away. We have maximum 2 car lengths to finish the maneuver. So I'm pretty sure I can easily fit my car into that gap. What we have left, and there's going to still be space left. So we should have finished a tiny bit closer to that vehicle. But I think we could count this.
Mhm.
This was good. Well done.
It's a possible maneuver.
Mm-hmm. This was good. Well done. Okay, back to the sat now. Back to the mock test.
Taylor Swift puts me in a good mood. This is it now. This is me passing him off. I'm not going, I'm just moving forward before you try and slam on. There it is. There it is. I've got time. Oh my God. So glad I didn't move out, but I think that was not good for me. Thank you, mister.
Turn right, Wolsey Avenue. Then, at the end of the road, turn left. Turn left, Wolsey Crescent. Turn right.
But if I remember right, we didn't turn speed.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
You
Then
have priority
turn
on this
left.
round.
Yeah, did nothing speed.
Turn left, B5189, Green Lane.
Can I do it? No, because he's just taking space. Should we go straight? Should we try it?
Turn right, B5189, Green Lane. Turn right.
That was a bit quick. Yep, I felt it. I promise I did.
Don't worry, you're not the first one who does it.
Really? Is that turn?
Not on that turn, on
Oh.
different turns, but on that speed. So don't worry. Last week I sat in a test and my learner hit the kerb on a double roundabout and failed at the very start of the
Ooh.
test. So don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. Or shall I say, don't worry about it. Your instructor is not here. He didn't see it.
No, thank you.
And can you pull up on the left where it's safe to do so, please?
After 300 yards, make a U-turn. Then turn right.
Okay, beautiful.
I think I can guess the result.
You think you can guess the result?
Yeah.
So what's your guess?
I think I failed.
You're kind of right with that one. Yes,
You don't need to be nice.
you're kind of right with that one. To be honest, for the first run as a mock test,
Hmm.
I think you've done actually very, very good.
Mm.
You've done very good. Yeah,
Thank you.
I don't sugarcoat stuff. Yes, that report looks kind of.
Yeah.
There is quite a bit.
Yeah.
If you see, I had the blank sheet. Your first
what?
10 minutes,
Yeah.
I think they were going very well. To be honest,
Mhm.
they were going very well,
Yeah.
and you was onto it. And something happened at some
Yeah.
point where it started to go a little bit out of hand.
Yeah.
Little moments, but at the same time, I seen quite nice situations which I was thinking you not gonna be able to deal with,
Really?
but you dealt with them. Yes.
Great. Come on. Let's do it.
So 4 serious faults: positioning, turning right. Remember the second time you gone the wrong way after the roundabout,
Yeah.
and we had to do a sharp left turn. So those roads there was one-way street. And remember when you was hesitating to join the road for a little while?
Mhm.
That was a one-way street. Come on, tell me, what should have you done?
Oh, should we right the way over to the right? Yeah. Yeah. I
Yes.
didn't know they were one ways.
Hmm.
I probably should have because they're tiny.
There was signs. There was
Was
no
there?
markings.
Oh.
It was quite visible.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely. So if you wouldn't gone the wrong way, that would be one of the serious faults gone. This is quite regularly that happens when someone goes the wrong way
It gets in the head and they panic.
and
I did that.
and see the clear
Yeah.
example. Gets in ahead. We
Yep.
panicked a little bit.
Mhm.
We didn't read the signs.
Yep.
And
Yep.
there's the serious.
Got it.
With the hesitation, yes, you did hesitate. There was 2 opportunities you should have used to go.
Yeah.
So I gave you 2 minor faults for hesitation at that junction.
So not okay. I'll take it if it's not.
So what else? Slow speed. You was doing 20 on a 30 road. When I remember I said to you, this road is 30 mile an hour. Speed limit is 30 on this road, yeah. I know what
I know.
you seen the sign from the right side
Yeah,
sticking.
but it wasn't there. It was meant to be there. It's not mine.
It's not yours. It's for the side road. It's a side road sign.
I
yeah.
knew it. I just didn't.
And I was like,
Trust
go on,
myself.
go on. I was waiting.
You
Come
were
on,
waiting, I know.
just when you're gonna speed up. Go on, speed up.
I don't.
Over 20.
I don't.
Let's get up to speed. I'm just gonna give you a minor for going slow again.
Yeah.
Kerb,
Kerb.
control steering. Yes.
Yep.
Sorry. The speed and
Yep.
that would be a serious fault. Yeah.
Okay.
There was parked vehicles. There was black Nissan Juke on the right. You said, "Oh, thank you." You didn't give me the way.
Yeah.
Did you ask him for space?
No.
Where you both met
Yeah.
at the narrowest point.
Yeah.
If at least you would have eased off the gas and let him go and moved out, there would be no situation. That was too tight.
Yeah.
You should have
Held back or slowed down.
held back,
signaled.
slowed down, or either
Any of
signaled
the three.
earlier, but not entered at the same time.
Any of the 3.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
serious, that would be regards the clearance there at that
Yep.
occasion.
That was just silly on my end.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, minor faults. There is quite few. If you're gonna start driving a little bit quicker, you're gonna get rid of at least 3 minors easily. Speed slow. This first housing estate, when we turned right, you was going through it too slow. There's moments when you need to slow down because
Yeah.
you can't see far enough, but then you carry on going with like 10, 12 mile an hour, and you're even talking about I'm going slow. Come on, just little
up.
gas, speed up, a little bit more confidence.
Yeah.
Then when we gone through that housing estate, we had to cross the dual carriageway to turn right. Do you remember that one? You waited, brilliant. What you could have done better, you could have been a little bit over to the left in the central reservation. A little
Okay.
bit more, but it was fine.
I remember what you mean now, yeah.
Yes, you started creeping, and from ahead, taxi driver tried to go.
Yeah, I
But-
remember that. I was thinking, oh,
No, I gave you minor.
yeah.
Just minor.
Yeah.
Because I think you was right. You started
I
creeping
was-
before.
Didn't I
you
get there first as well?
In the central, this doesn't matter.
Mm.
It doesn't matter.
should.
At that situation, technically, nobody of you has priority. You need to make that eye contact with him. Remember, I had a video where it was
Yeah.
from my car and Danny's car.
Yeah.
So same scenario.
Yeah.
You creeped.
Yeah.
And then only he started creeping.
Yeah.
I think he was absolutely right, but you
Yeah.
could have read that situation a little bit
Yeah.
better. Yeah.
I was,
yes.
It was there.
Brilliant. Minor fault for that one. We joined the Queen's Drive. The way you joined what you did there was absolutely brilliant. Well done. Speed limit on the Queen's Drive, do you know?
It's a 40, isn't it?
Ah.
30.
Yes. Towards the traffic light, you sped up to 34, so I left it as a minor
Yeah.
fault, not a serious fault.
Yeah.
But make sure, Queen's Drive, remember,
40.
bit more speed,
Yeah.
get up to speed. We need to see that progress.
Yep.
Planning turning left after the roundabout, you didn't take that left one, and you stopped, and you was like, do I want to go? If you get that position, shall I go back in and try to squeeze into that traffic? Don't. Just go away. Go wrong way. That's it. Make that decision. I'm going wrong way.
Yeah.
Or the earlier.
Yeah.
So that's why I just gave you planning for that
Yeah.
one. Minor
Okay.
fault.
Okay.
Then we had to turn into the Newsham Park. First turn into the Newsham Park.
Could I hate
Oh,
that
you
part?
cut that corner. You should have slowed down. Maybe let that car in front of you turn first and position yourself a little bit better. So you cut a corner there. And remember when we seen Danny on the hill?
Yeah.
We going downhill. We
Yeah.
had to turn right again.
Too quick.
Too quick.
Had to go there.
Speed.
Yeah.
Yes. So
I know.
easy fixes
Yeah.
as well. Takes out a minor
Yeah.
fault. And that's it. Literally the whole test route you done quite nice.
Yeah.
But very end you got 3 serious faults. So it was 20 sign which wasn't for you. It was the kerb and it was straddle lanes where I could not allow you not to have a serious fault for them situations.
Fair enough.
Well done. Looks a lot.
But it's easy fixes.
It's
so, like,
easy
I
fixes.
don't
Your
bother
mirror
them.
checks. You was brilliant with all your mirrors. Well done. Good job. I'm happy.